Hai, assalamualaikum. Welcome back again with Icur, Indonesian girl. Thank you so much. Keep watching my video and give me more song Kurdish ya. And this from comment. Thank you so much. You give me this Melek Iloshan ya. This first I reaction to Melek, and this first too I know Melek Iloshan, singer from Kurdish ya. This so beautiful girl ya. And I'm so curious how voice Melek, so let's start by watching, guys.
Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait. I think
Melek Rose Hat di Beijing Home Channel. This first ya I reaction to Melek. Melek Rose Hat from Kurdish ya. She was different from all singers from Kurdish. Wow, so nice ya. Ooh. This first I reaction to Melek Rojhan, and this first I know Melek Rojhan too from your comment ya. This show Melek ya. Wow, Melek so different voice ya from all singer Kurdish. Thank you so much for your comment. You give me this song. You can comment again what your song. So So thank you so much from your comment and support me with your subscribe, like and comment too. Okay, don't forget. Spas.